Just like when we were in the Kumbha Mela in 1971, January, February, very cold, right in the very bank of the Jamuna and the Ganga, at the confluence. Some of us would bathe at 3, 4 in the morning in the very cold waters to get the sacred dip. At that year, only about 20 million people showed up. It was a small year, half Kumbha, not the full one. With a full one, 33 million people attended. They only had, for 10 miles from the river, they had big bamboos and wood things to make the people stand in queue for 10 miles. So they wouldn't stampede. Because many, many decades ago there was a stampede where a few hundred people saw their last holy darshan. So they have a big arrangement there. So we were at that festival. There were so many sadhus go. Prabhupada said that many sadhus come to this special meeting, that from the Himalayas many great yogis are still meditating, and they come down. He said that the thing about these yogis is that every morning they bathe in the 7 rivers. They dip down in the Ganges, Jamuna, Saraswati confluence, come up in the Godavari, go down in Krishna, again go down, again up in Krishna, up in this way they go through the 7 rivers. Prabhupada said, I have seen with my own eyes. I have seen. Within a matter of minutes, they dip in all of the rivers. How can Prabhupada see someone dip in rivers over 2,000-3,000 miles apart in a matter of minutes? Of course, we meditated on that one. So, I personally saw there was some yogi there who had been meditating so long his fingernails had come out of the other side of his hand. I don't know if it was how he did it, but that was how he's meditating. Maybe it was a done-up thing. It looked pretty real. But there are a lot. Many people go for the show. So many sadhus. So Prabhupada said, we are coming, we also want to preach, we want to have association of sadhus and give association to the people. He was very humble, he said, we want association. Of course, we knew that he was going to give association of pure devotion to purify all the different people, Mayavadis and Karmakandis and different people that were going there.